The 2019 Atlantic hurricane season officially begins today, and already the head of the Meteorological Service, Evan Thompson, is warning Jamaicans not to drop their guards as the season can be unpredictable. TVJ's Shamela Pullen reports.
The 2019 hurricane season will see between 9 to 15 tropical storms. The period got off to yet another early start after subtropical storm Andrea briefly popped up earlier this week. It's the fifth straight year a named storm has struck ahead of the start of the hurricane season. Head of the Met Service, Evan Thompson, says the season is likely to experience between 4 to 8 hurricanes.
Last year, we actually experienced 9 hurricanes developing in the season, and this year we could have a similar kind of activity. Out of those hurricanes, there are likely to be between 2 and 4 major hurricanes, that is reaching categories 3, 4, or 5 and causing major damage. So we are projecting that it will be a near normal season in terms of the numbers, but again, we are not able to say which countries would be impacted.
Mr. Thompson says the more intense period of the season will be between August and September, but may run into October. However, throughout the season, Jamaica remains vulnerable.
We have gone through 2 hurricane seasons over the past 2 years with no significant threat to Jamaica. Yes, the Caribbean was threatened significantly in 2017, and we saw the Eastern Caribbean being basically decimated, some of the islands, because of the double tragedies of Hurricanes Maria and Irma. However, we don't know exactly what this season will hold in terms of for Jamaica and the rest of the Caribbean. So we just have to be monitoring at all times.
He says the Met Service will be providing as much information as possible to the public.
The Met Service makes warning messages available to you either by going to the Smart Alert website. I'm going to our website and clicking on Smart Alert. So it would be the metservice.gov.jm, and then going to the Smart Alert option. That will show you whether warnings are actually in place. But you can also dial 116 from any phone, and that will give you the latest warning if there is one in effect.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.